this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. As you know, I don't go by patterns. I just have a go. I have got here 2 strips of fabric, width of fabric, and they are 6 inches. I've got 2 of the happy face ones, width of fabric by 6 inches. I have a total of 8 1.5 inch by width of fabric, and I'm going to see if I can make a baby quilt out of just this, and then it'll grow. Possible. But what I'm going to do is just sew them on either side of the strips. I'll show you when I've done that. I have stitched the strip sets, 2 with the smiley faces on and 2 with the stars on, and as you can see, my strip sets measure 8 inches. So we want to cut these strips sets into 8-inch pieces, which I've already done on these few. So now we're just laying them out. So we're going to have one that way, but this one is going to go that way. So there's going to be no seams to match up. We want the smiley face again. I didn't press that one too well. Never mind. Smiley face in the middle. 2 smiley faces there. And this is the layout it's going to be. So there's going to be no seams to match or anything like that. And that size, it's just one of each set. So I'm going to now stitch them together in rows and make a little baby quilt. And there we have it. I've done 4 of the squares across and 5 down, 20 in total, which is exactly what we got out of those strips. And now I can bind it or quilt it up, because it's nearly 30 inches by 7, 14, 21, 28, nearly 40 inches. So I'll probably put a border on it and then quilt it up, but that's just taken me a few hours. It needs pressing. I haven't done that yet. But I quite like this one. The one I did yesterday, I'm not too keen on. This is the one that I did yesterday, and yes, I've got a new design more. It's the first quilt I ever made. I made it quiltish go style. In fact, it's more or less at the very start of Fabric Fridays, several years ago. But I can't bring myself to throw it away. So my jars for my home canned goods need staying out of direct sunlight. So I hung the quilt over them so they're nice and dark behind there, and I can use it as a design board. But that's yesterday's quilt, and I'm not as keen on it. But I like today's. Yeah, I'm going a bit potty on baby quilts.